In more news now, the big story of the day, chaos in the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha over the Antule issue. The BJP demands the Minority Affairs Minister's ouster and the Congress finds itself friendless. Both houses of parliament have been repeatedly disrupted with the BJP members storming the well of the house. Rajya Sabha was adjourned 3 times with the speaker unable to control the MPs. And it was no different in the Lok Sabha as well. Antule ka ant karo is what the BJP was shouting and demanding. And the Minorities Minister has come under severe attack, especially from the BJP. Here's a look at what the party had to say.
It is not the nation's concern as to what is to be done with Antule. The nation needs to stand firmly in the fight against terror. That this internal tamasha in the Congress of one-upmanship for vote bank politics is creating serious impediments in the fight against terror. And Pakistan is having the last laugh. The sooner he is sacked, the better it is for the country in the fight against terror.
Meanwhile, the left also provided no comfort to the Congress either. While they condemned Antule's statements, left leaders demanded that the Congress should take a stand and make an announcement to avoid further disruption in Parliament.
Now, Mr. Antule has raised some issues. He is one of the senior ministers in the government. He is holding a very sensitive portfolio, minority affairs. What is the stand of the government? What is the stand of the Congress party? And Congress party speaks in different voices.
मैं समझती हूँ ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि एक कैबिनेट की मंत्री ने इस प्रकार का बयान दिया है, जो अभी दूसरे लोग हमारे देश के जो पाकिस्तान जैसे देश जो आतंकवादियों को शरण दे रहे हैं वो उसका इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, तो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। हम ये चाहते हैं सरकार से कि करकरे जी जो इन्वेस्टिगेशंस कर रहे थे, जो जांच कर रहे थे, जिसमें मालेगांव ब्लास्ट और मदासा ब्लास्ट में तथाकथित हिंदुत्व तत्व की जो शामिल होने की पूरी तत्व उन्होंने सामने किया, वो जांच में किसी प्रकार की कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए।
मैं अपने बयान पे कायम हूं। कौन क्या कह रहा है मुझे उससे क्या परवाह? मैं क्यों परवाह करूं? मैं जिसको सच समझता हूं वो मैं बोलूंगा। जब बयान दिया जब ही जानता था कि मैं कह रहा हूं वो सही है और सही था इसीलिए बयान दिया। अंतुले ने कभी आज तक गलत बयान नहीं दिया।